Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this gorgeous Ford Focus 1.5 EcoBlue ST-Line X. Now this vehicle has currently done 25,351 miles and it's finished in the colour magnetic. Now this is a very premium and sporty looking hatchback. It does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have your LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you've got 341 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,320 litres with the rear seats down. You also have a spare wheel, which is very handy to have. Here inside to the rear you have your gorgeous part leather interior with the contrasting red stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, as well as volume controls for the infotainment system. To the right, controls for the display that you have in the instrument cluster. Here you've got your digital speedometer. You can also see your fuel economy, trip information. You've got driver assist with pre-collision assist, your lane keeping system, features that keep you super safe while you're on the road. You also have access to your navigation, audio and telephone. You have some vehicle and system settings there, as well as your trip computer. In the centre of the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now this system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB and Bluetooth connectivity for playing your own music. In the phone menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also includes navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places with ease. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you well connected with your smartphone. In the settings here you've got system and vehicle settings available to you. You can access different features here. Now this Ford Focus comes with front and rear parking sensors to make parking much easier. You've got your dual zone automatic climate control here below the display. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. You've got your USB and 12-volt sockets there. Your 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console. Next to this you've got your driving modes. You've got your normal, eco and sport, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.